Of course, you're familiar with page number. I could click on that. Let's say top of the page, and here it is fine. Okay. But if I go to page number again and click on the format page numbers, there is an option named include chapter number. If I enable that by default settings and press OK, you will see the warning here. There is no chapter number to include the caption or page number. Okay. So what can we do? You have to define the chapters. In this case, make sure you're on the Home tab. On the multi-level list, we have some multi-levels with the chapter setting. For instance, the regular one here, I could click. You see, it is getting the number and immediately my chapters changed 1-1. I could modify that too. Click on the multi-level and click on define new multi-level list. For instance, let's say I want to start with chapter and maybe colon. There is the text indent at maybe 0.2 and set for all levels. Okay. And we have the follow number with tab character. I don't want to add with tab character. If you don't see this section, make sure you click on the more button. I want to add maybe space and OK. There it is, chapter 1. I could apply also for other titles, just as an example. OK. You see, now here we have the chapter 3 because includes two last one. If I click here and insert a page break by pressing Ctrl or Command Enter or return, now there it is, 3/2 and chapter 1. And let's say I don't want to use dash. So to modify that, I could go to Insert, Page Number, Format the page number, and change the chapters start with the style. Heading 1, it is fine. Even we could add multi-sub levels and use separator with, let's say, column. Okay. Now they separated with column.